11/27/2025. I'm doing our 2024-25 Panini Revolution basketball 5-box mega break number 1. Guys, on the site, there's a Prism and a Select mega break. Great prices. Check them out. All right, who's got who in the break? Joe W. has the Hawks, and Len H. has the Celtics. Dean E. with the Nets. Dennis J. has the Hornets. Joe W. Bulls, and Jerry M. the Cavs. Robert P. the Mavericks. Dennis J. Nuggets and Pistons. Jerry M. the Warrior, and Jerry M. has the Warriors. He's not the Warrior, maybe he is. Dennis J. Rockets and Pacers. Jerry M. Clippers. Brian M. with the Lakers. Joe W. with the Grizzlies. Dennis J. Heat. Joe W. Bucks and T-Wolves. Dean with the Pelicans. Dennis J. with the Knicks. Jerry M. with the Thunder and Magic. Robert P. has the 76ers. Dean E. Suns. Andrew L. Blazers. Dean E. Kings. Jared P. with the Spurs. Robin S. with the Raptors. Dennis J. Jazz. And Joe W. with the Wizards. All right, here we go. My phone's playing music over here. All right, all cards ship like always, guys. Hits are going to be your numbered cards, your autos, relics, things like that. Let's get to it here. All right. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Let's see what we could pull here. We could break anything you see there, guys. Whatever doesn't break, I'll be back either Sunday night or Monday. Probably Monday, depending on what time I get done on Sunday. But let me get my garbage bin here. All right, there's box 1. Just take all the boxes open here. Box 2, little retail theft sticker. Now you guys getting hammered with snow right now? I see there's a lot of snow coming all over the place, especially in the Midwest. Alright, there's all our packs from the 5 boxes. They feel weird. I'm going to try to get some 25-26 stuff on the site, guys, for basketball soon. The price is just so ridiculous. But I'll see what I could do. That's why I went with a little bit of different 24-25 stuff. It has more hit possibility, like Prism Select, this Revolution, if we could pull a Kaboom. Imagine we pull a horizontal Kaboom. That'd be awesome. Starts in Omaha tomorrow. Oh, good luck with that, buddy. I saw Wisconsin got hit. I see Buffalo's getting hit. Or Rochester area. I know St. Louis is getting hit tomorrow. So that'd be you. Yep, Joe. Got you, Dean. Another retail. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can get here. All right, here we are. All right, Jonas Valanciunas starts us off. Donovan Mitchell. There's a J-Lo Tyson. Just checking the backs here. Stargazing. There's a Wemby. Miles Bridges. All right, here's a red. Baylor Shearman for the Celtics, rookie. Tristan Da Silva. There's a DeMar DeRozan red. New Wave, Reed Shepherd. Tatum. Jared McCain. And a James Harden. That's a red. Dalton Neck. Jalen Brunson. John Morant Vortex. Isaiah Thomas Legends. There's a Hardwood Legacy of Jason Tatum, Luka, and Jalen Williams. Let me just check the backs here. Just in case I missed something. There's a swirl of Kyle Kuzma. There's also a red. Alright, nothing else there. But again, everything will ship. So these are all our swirls. The red ones. Isaiah Thomas, Jalen Brunson, Dalton Neck, James Harden, DeMar DeRozan. You got Baylor Shireman and Kyle Kuzma. Alright. Let's go to box 2 here. Alright, Miles Turner. CJ McCollum. Tyler Smith, rookie. Alright, we got something blue coming. There we go. Jacoby Walter, rookie for Toronto. Jacoby Walter, that's 1 out of 35. 1 out of 35 on that one. Very nice. LeBron James. Darius Garland. Tristan De Silva with the swirl. Jamal Murray. Hardwood legacy of Dwayne Wade. Jared McCain, rookie. All right. Oh, check the back here. As I was grabbing them. Make sure I got them all. Looks like they've changed color when they're one of the inserts. All right. Box 3. Can we at least get one auto, please? Scoot Henderson. JJJ. Bradley Beal. Here comes another blue. We'll take that. How about a Tyler Kolek? Rookie blue. That one's to 49. 29 out of 49 for the Knicks. There's our auto. Very nice. Bobby Clintman, rookie auto for Detroit. Pistons is Dennis J. There you go. Let's see if we got a little numbering for you here. No numbering, but nice auto. Asking shall receive it. We will take another auto then. If it's that easy. Emmanuel Quickly. Donovan Klingen. Keaton George. There's a Bronny. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar right behind it. 135. Back-to-back for the Lakers there. Brian M. All right. 2 boxes to go. Not bad so far. Fred VanVleet. A.J. Johnson. Jalen Williams. Jokic, Hardwood. Luka red. We got Steven Castle, rookie red. Very nice. Red swirl of Castle for the Spurs. Anthony Edwards, Ant. Brandon Miller. Cam Spencer. All right. One left here. All right, got Scoot Henderson again, kicking it off. Trey Young. Bub Carrington. Castle rookie base there. Austin Reeves. Cam Christie for the Clippers. What do we got here? Nikola Durasic. Asur Thompson. Deron Holmes the second. Paulo Banchero, red. Ant Vortex. Charles Barkley, red. Jason Tatum, Vortex, red. That one's to 135. And that'll do it. All right. So, let's start sleeving these up here. Take out some sleeves. All right, more basketball on the site. What else can we fill up here, guys? All right. Lots of swirls here. I feel like there's about 7 or 8 per box. Joe, is the stream better today than what it was? It should be. I'm hoping. Looks good on my end. The other night I sat here for a half hour trying to figure it out. And they did something over text messaging and boom, 2 hours later. Highest download speed I've had, highest upload speed I've had. So whatever they were doing, pinching my service or crazy. All right. Again, I just like showing this on the video these days, just to show that everything has been encased and that we don't see any flaws or anything as I'm putting them in. more here. All right, there we go. All right, appreciate you filling it up, guys. More on the site right here.